what's up YouTube? This is Zafar from my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about water heaters, and then if you guys have water heaters at home and then it starts leaking, you gotta check a couple things before you call the professionals. So let me just show you the things that you have to check, and maybe it could be an easy fix to do that. So let's go. Guys, as you can see, my water heater actually started leaking from the bottom, and I've actually noticed this leak 2 days ago, and then I was really worried about it. So I had to do like I did a couple of researches about this, and then found out that most of the time if the water heater starts leaking, it's basically you have to replace the whole thing. So I called the professionals, and unfortunately I have to replace the whole thing. But before you do that, I would definitely recommend checking sometimes the water starts leaking from the valve pressure over here. So you want to check the bottom of this, make sure there's no water coming out from this. But if it is, it's really easy to fix it. So you just turn off the whole thing and then shut off the water, and then just basically replace that yourself as well. Right. Also, you want to check the top over here. If the water starts leaking from this or this, you want to check it. If it is, then you can also replace that as well. And what was the third place? The third place, yes. If the actual water starts leaking from this, same thing, you can actually turn off your full water and then empty the tank, and then you can just replace the whole thing. Or you can just take the screwdriver, maybe try to screw it tighter. That could help out. But other than that, man, in that case, for mine water heater, the water is actually leaking from the bottom. As you can see, there's a lot of water coming out. So
see all the water in it?
Oh yeah.
It's definitely bad. here.
Okay.
Start down here.
That's the life when you're living in